Listen, listen. The fatteh has something to say. We call this sound tasha from the sizzling that happens when the ghee is just heated and poured over the yogurt, creating this sound. To make the fatteh, you need 2 cans of chickpeas. Make sure they're properly heated in the water. You need 1 kilogram of yogurt at room temperature. Add 2 big crushed garlic cloves and 3 tablespoons of tahini. Sprinkle some salt as needed and mix all the ingredients well together. I don't add lemon because the yogurt is already a little bit sour. Mix it very well until it's creamy like this. Cut the bread and fry it the way you want until it's crunchy like this. And let's not forget to fry the nuts, cashews, almonds, or any type you prefer for the topping. And now in the serving dish we place the first layer, which is the crunchy bread. Then we distribute the hot chickpeas with some of its water on the bread. The heat from the chickpeas will warm up the yogurt, making it even tastier. And now for the final layer, distribute the yogurt evenly. The quantity I gave you makes a tray plus a small plate, so it's enough for the family during the iftar. And now my favorite part, crush the bread like this with your hands. It looks amazing and it tastes very delicious. Spread the nuts over the bread. You can decorate with some chickpeas and some parsley. Sprinkle some paprika and allspice for the top. And now it's ready for the tasha. The ghee needs to be very hot to create that sound. We heat it well and then we pour it. I'm waiting for you to try the fatteh and tell me your opinion. I'm sure you will love it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.